In this video, I will show you how to use Instant Gaming step by step. If you have never used this website before, don't worry. This guide is made for complete beginners. First, open your browser and go to the Instant Gaming website. Instant Gaming is a platform where you can buy digital game keys for PC, PlayStation, Xbox, and other platforms, often at discounted prices. Once the website loads, the first step is to create an account. Click on Sign Up or Register at the top of the page. Enter your email address, create a password, and complete the registration. You may need to verify your email, so check your inbox and click the confirmation link. After logging in, you can start searching for a game. Use the search bar at the top and type the name of the game you want. For example, a popular PC or console title. You can also browse by platform, such as Steam, PlayStation, or Xbox. When you find the game you want, click on it. This will open the game's product page. Here you can see the price, platform, region information, and activation details. Always check the region and platform carefully. Make sure the key works in your country and on your device. If everything looks correct, click the Add to Cart or Buy Now button. You will then go to the checkout page. Review your order to make sure the game title and platform are correct. Next, choose a payment method. Instant Gaming usually supports options like credit card, debit card, PayPal, and other local payment methods. Enter your payment details and complete the purchase. After successful payment, the game key will be available in your account. Go to your profile and open the My Orders or My Games section. Here you will see the code or key you purchased. Now you need to activate the game. The process depends on the platform. For example, if it is a Steam key, open the Steam app, go to Games in the top menu, and select Activate a product on Steam. Enter the key you received and follow the instructions. For PlayStation or Xbox, redeem the code in the console store or on their official website. Once activated, the game will be added to your library and you can download and start playing. That's how you use Instant Gaming from start to finish. Always double check platform and region details before buying to avoid mistakes. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out other beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching.